Good morning, students. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my art class. So today I've got lots and lots of colored paper with me. I've got glue, I've got marker, pencil, scissor. What do you think are we doing today? Yes, we are making a craft. Now, since you all know Republic Day is coming up, and Republic Day is all about people. It's all about tableaus, which are also called jhankis in Hindi, of different states. So today, are you ready to come with me to Assam? Oh yes, we are all going to Assam today. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make a face mask of a person from Assam, the state of Assam. Let's go there and let's become one of the Assamese and enjoy ourselves. So it's the Bihu festival going on in Assam, and let's all go there, and we are going to make a face mask for ourselves and also make with paper only a bamboo hat. So this is entirely a very easy and fun to do paper craft for you all. Let's get started. I hope you all have the material ready. So let's begin. Now first of all, for the face, you are free to use any colored sheet of your choice, but it has to be skin colored. Maybe mustard, maybe a brown or an off-white, or if you have a very light pink or a peach color, you may use that also. I'm going to use an off-white, or you can say a cream sheet. Now this off-white sheet, it might seem white to you because of the light, but this is an off-white color. So first of all, what do? You fold the sheet very neatly into two equal halves. So divide the sheet into two equal halves like this. And even if you've never done mask making, then first of all, we always fold the sheet into two equal parts such that the side which is open is on your right hand and the side which is folded is on your left hand. Okay, now what do? We are going to make the face with this. So what are we doing? First of all, let's put one point. Not very close to the corner, but slightly closer. And one point here, as big as you want to make the face. Okay, next, what are we going to do? We are going to join the points together, and while joining the points, we are going to draw our ear too. So come down, bring this line down. Okay, now let's make a curve, a C-shaped curve, invert mirror image of a C, and stop. Now done. Now bring this and join to this point. My dear students, the face drawing is complete. It's time to cut it. Take your scissors, but be very careful. Okay, and cut on the pencil lines. Little children can use baby scissors, or you may take help of somebody at home to cut this for you. Okay, because I want you all to be very safe while using scissors. Please take help. No problem, you may ask an elder to cut this out for you. Now face is ready. Now they wear, like I told you, bamboo hat. Now it's time to make their pointed bamboo hat. Now for the bamboo hat, we can use our yellow color or you can use the mustard color. So now I've kept the face carefully aside, kept it aside, and I've taken my yellow paper. Again, now children, as you all know what a hat is, so hat has a shade part also, right? So hat is very broad. So since hat is broad, we are going to keep the paper this time horizontally, not vertically. Last time for the face we had kept like this, but now we are keeping it like this. Have you all kept your paper like this? Great. Now fold very carefully, edge to edge, join, and then very neatly make the crease. Done. Now once again, the side which is open is on your right hand. The side which is folded is on your left hand. And now bring this face back and keep it like this. And we are going to keep this paper of the hat over here, just a little above the ear. We are going to leave very little space because when we wear a hat, it covers most part of the forehead. So like this, you can see I've kept the paper, this folded line, one on top of each other. And now just see what I'm going to do. First, we are going to make a triangle. Let me just pull this down a little. I hope you all can see clearly. Now, from here, almost near the top of the sheet, let me put one point. Now, students, we need to bring this triangle down to complete our hat. But till where? You can say that almost this much of the sheet. So I have divided unequally, not equal, but I've made 1, 2 and 3 parts, one dot over here. I'm going to bring this triangle down like this and stop. Okay, and then from here we are going to make the curve and join to the head. So go ahead, make a curve, round, and stop here where the head you can find. Okay, once again look carefully. We started down from this point and stopped here in front of this point, and then we made a curve and came here. So, or what you can also say that this is the conical part, the triangle part, and then below the triangle we have made half of an oval. Now it's time to very neatly cut this on the lines. Be very, very careful while cutting. Cut on the lines. Now dear students, our hat is ready. I have erased that line which we had drawn to show the triangle. So hat is ready, face is ready. Right now we have to decorate the hat. Now this hat again has some colorful triangles on it for decoration. Those colorful triangles can be red, green, purple or any other color that you wish to. But they are mostly of red and green and purple. Now for this, we have these small triangles with us and we are going to decorate this bamboo hat with these triangles. So first of all, you can see this crease line. So I'm going to put my first triangle on this crease line like this. And the second one is going to tilt a little and go a little up like this and join. First just place so that you understand how we are placing it, and then we will put Fevicol, because once we put Fevicol and if anything goes wrong, then we will not be able to remove that triangle. So can you see how I have done? One triangle, second triangle, little tilted and join, to that. This triangle little tilted and join to this. Done? Now, do not move the triangles. Just very carefully put some Fevicol. So this triangle will fix in a bit. And let's put some Fevicol. You can also do this. Put some Fevicol like this. And put some Fevicol over here. Now they will take a minute or two because it's winters to stick properly. And then you may put drop of Fevicol underneath also. Here also a drop of Fevicol underneath I've put. Once again, drop of Fevicol. Here it has not stuck, so some Fevicol. And very neatly press. Done. The design on the hat is ready. Now pick up your red sketch pen or marker and we are going to make a very neat outline of this. I think I should leave some yellow. So this can be used for any EVS project. Right now we are doing for Republic Day, but you can use for your EVS projects, you can use for a show and tell, fancy dress. Ready? Now we are going to place this hat and the face one on top of each other like this. Can you see, students, this center line of the face and this center line of the hat should come right in one straight line. Okay, and you can check like this. See, hold it. This is perfect. Now what you are going to do on the forehead part, head part, put some Fevicol, leave some space and stick it together. Nicely done. Now time to add the hair. To add the hair, we have to make two triangles again. One, good. Okay, two, and let's fill. You can do it with brown if you want to show him brown head. This. Two curved lines for the eyebrows. You all know how to make eyebrows. Draw the nose, L shape. First draw with a pencil, it's easier. L-shaped nose. And now we have these two leaf shapes with us, which are for the eyes. Just place them like this. So this way you are going to stick your eyes. Let's put Fevicol. Now we need to give them an outline so that they appear nice and defined. Give a neat outline on the white sheet. You all can see how I'm doing this. This white that you've put. Now one semicircle shape in the center for the eyeballs. By now you all know how to make eyeballs, and two small semicircles at each corner. Eyes are ready. Our mask is almost ready. Now you have this strip with you, which is 3 inches by 1 inch. So what do? Fold it again very neatly. Open side on your right, close side on your left. And we are going to make the smiley lips. Now how to do that? You will just make a curve which will start from here. Now you can see how I'm doing this. From one point like this, we will join to this end. Okay? So from here, curve, 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 go up and join there. And then using your scissor, we are going to cut it. When you open it, you will get the smiley. So here we are, we get the smiley. And we are going to put glue on it and stick it right below the nose, but leave some space, and the center line of this and this face should come one on top of each other. So this face mask from Assam mask is ready. You can put strings on the sides and wear it. I hope you all enjoyed making this mask. Thank you.